Hi, this is Paul Alcorn with TweetTown. We continue our coverage here at Flash Memory Summit 2013. Right now in the interview booth we have Motti Beck. He's from Mellanox. Really what we're seeing as the SSDs mature, they're very disruptive technology. And as they're being implemented more inside of the data center, it's really stressing the network capacity and the ability of the fabric in order to handle this new level of traffic. So Mellanox provides networking solutions for the data center. And what are you guys working on and doing right now to help ease this transition to flash technology?
Yeah, basically, as you said, the new SSD storage actually closing the gap between the low performance and the high capacity of the hard disk drive to the memory. And the SSDs is the best things that I believe happen to the industry today, because now you can use or develop new applications. And what we are doing actually is providing the networks that can take advantage of the performance and the low latencies that the SSD can provide. So, for example, if you want to have a caching mechanism, that you could do it also in the past, but the amount of the memories that you could use and the cost was pretty low. Today you can take all kind of application to, especially on the mobile Web 2.0, that the response time needs to be pretty fast, and to use the SSDs as the caching, and you need a fast network to read and write from those devices.
Absolutely, and you know, there are a number of solutions that are offered to address these types of performance challenges, but you guys actually kind of marry two of the interconnects together.
Yeah, basically what we see in the industry is basically that the next fabrics that are going to be more popular on the data centers are the Ethernet and the InfiniBand. Today you can get InfiniBand 56 gig per second. Actually you can get even a version that can support 100 gig per second. And the Ethernet that today supports 40 gig. And we are supporting both of them under one card. We call it the VPI, which is Virtual Protocol Interconnect technology. And more important, we are supporting on both protocols, RDMA, which is technology that totally offloads the communication from the CPU to the controller itself. So in this particular case, the CPU just tells the controller, move this data from this application to the other. It's totally offloaded, and once it's done, it replies back to the CPU, I'm done, and the CPU can take advantage, and meanwhile can do the other jobs.
And that is an important feature.
Yeah.
And bringing those two together is really important because, you know, as you mentioned, 100 gigabits, that's nearly maxing PCIe 3.0. So we can travel literally as fast as with the network connections, literally as fast as the server can possibly do.
And there is another important element about those two. If you take a look on the fabric, in the future you want to have only one fabric or one wire.
One wire.
And you don't want to have, for example, Ethernet and fiber channel or InfiniBand and fiber channel, because the fiber channel is only for storage.
Correct.
And the Ethernet and the InfiniBand, you can run compute and storage on the same wire, and then you can move between the two of them. We have also technologies that can convert on the fly between InfiniBand to Ethernet, and then you don't need to choose which application run on what. You can give the application the fabric of choice.
That's good. That brings both of those together in a real cohesive solution. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.